colleague and I, Ron Anbar, a pediatric pulmonologist, and me, a neuropsychologist and clinical health psychologist, are offering an unusual advanced workshop at this year's annual conference in Reno coming up in just a few weeks. What we're offering is an immersive experiential workshop where all participants, and it's limited to groups of 6, will bring videotapes or transcripts of clients that they work with around a particular issue where they'd like to learn how to be more effective. We'll use that video to share what it is that the group sees, what it is that the clinician is seeking to achieve and wanting to do differently, and then we'll receive feedback from the group and from the faculty, if you will, in that workshop about different strategies, perspectives, approaches, techniques that might enhance the hypnotic encounter that they want to have with that client or would like to cultivate for use with other clients. An unusual approach. I hope you find that interesting and intriguing enough that you'll register and join us in Reno. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.